What if the pain you're fighting today is actually proof that Allah is preparing your greatest blessing? What if every delay, every disappointment, and every unanswered question is leading you towards something beyond your imagination? Stay until the end, because these powerful signs may completely change how you understand your struggles, your future, and your relationship with Allah. Sometimes the weight of one trial is followed by another, leaving you wondering why relief seems delayed. Yet these moments often reshape your character, humble your soul, and draw you closer to complete reliance upon Allah. Instead of measuring life by comfort alone, recognize that every challenge can become a step toward wisdom, spiritual growth, and blessings that only become clear when the difficult season has finally passed. There comes a moment when your greatest comfort is no longer found in people or possessions, but in remembering Allah. You begin seeking Him before making decisions, asking for guidance with sincerity, and finding peace in worship. This transformation is a precious gift, because a heart connected to Allah is being prepared to receive blessings with gratitude, wisdom, and unwavering faith. There comes a time when the temporary attractions of this world lose their hold over your heart. Wealth, status, and praise no longer define your purpose. Instead, you begin valuing sincerity, worship, righteous company, and eternal success. This quiet shift reflects growing spiritual maturity and prepares you to embrace Allah's future gifts with humility, contentment, deeper gratitude, steadfast conviction, always. Patience is not remaining still without emotion. It is choosing obedience despite uncertainty. As you continue moving forward without losing hope, your resilience quietly grows. Each delay teaches endurance, self-control, and trust in Allah's perfect timing. These qualities strengthen your faith and prepare you to carry greater responsibilities and blessings with wisdom, gratitude, and a heart firmly anchored in belief. At times, opportunities you desperately wanted disappear without explanation. Although disappointment may fill your heart, Allah knows what your eyes cannot see. A closed door may protect you from hidden harm, regret, or loss. What feels like rejection today can become undeniable mercy tomorrow, leading you towards something far better than you ever imagined with His guidance. At times, opportunities you desperately wanted disappear without explanation. Although disappointment may fill your heart, Allah knows what your eyes cannot see. A closed door may protect you from hidden harm, regret, or loss. What feels like rejection today can become undeniable mercy tomorrow, leading you towards something far better than you ever imagined with His guidance and lasting peace. Your conversations with Allah become more heartfelt, not because every wish is fulfilled immediately, but because your dependence on Him grows stronger. You stop asking with impatience and begin pleading with humility and certainty. Such sincerity purifies your intentions, increases spiritual closeness, and opens your heart to accept whatever outcome Allah chooses as the best for your life. Every hardship leaves behind a lesson that comfort could never teach. You begin recognizing mistakes, appreciating blessings once overlooked, and gaining wisdom through lived experience. These valuable insights shape your decisions, strengthen your character, and increase your gratitude toward Allah. The person emerging from the trial is often far stronger, wiser, and more compassionate than the one who entered it. Just when you believe nothing is changing, Allah may place unexpected opportunities before you. A new path, meaningful connection, or beneficial chance can appear in ways you never anticipated. These moments remind you that His provision is never limited by human expectations. Remain grateful, act with sincerity, and welcome every halal opportunity with trust, wisdom, and humility before Him. When you place your complete trust in Allah, confusion gradually gives way to confidence. Even without knowing every answer, your heart becomes calmer because you believe His wisdom is perfect. This certainty helps you face uncertainty with courage, make thoughtful decisions, and continue moving forward, knowing that every step guided by Allah carries purpose, mercy, and lasting benefit. Remaining steadfast through life's challenges is among the greatest acts of faith. Even when results are delayed, every sincere effort, sacrifice, and moment of perseverance is treasured by Allah. The rewards of steadfastness are not always immediate, but they arrive with lasting goodness, strengthening your soul and reminding you that no faithful struggle is ever wasted in His sight. Preparing for Allah's blessings means refining your character before receiving them. Fill your days with sincere worship, honest actions, and gratitude, even during ordinary moments. Keep improving yourself while trusting His perfect decree. When the time is right, you will be ready to embrace His gifts responsibly, recognizing that true success lies in pleasing Allah above everything else. If these signs touched your heart, never lose hope in Allah's perfect plan. May Allah strengthen your faith, ease your hardships, and bless you with goodness beyond your expectations. Ameen. Comment: Ameen, Ya Allah, prepare me for your blessings. Like, share, and subscribe to Profound Deen for more inspiring Islamic reminders.